Amazon sellers and intellectual property rights owners must understand how to avoid and enforce infringement claims. As a brand owner, you must ensure no IP violation occurs on the Amazon marketplace. A third-party retailer must have the proper intellectual property protections and licensing to avoid any intellectual property rights infringement. Let's start with talking about what is Amazon infringement and why you should take action if you see one. An Amazon infringement is when a third-party seller's product listing somehow infringes on the trademark, copyright, patent, or even trade secret of another. According to Amazon, third-party sellers make up to 58% of Amazon sales. Additionally, the report even states that third-party retailers are growing at a rate of 52% per year and account for more than half of the products or services sold on the platform. With over 300 million active user accounts reported, Amazon is the most popular and dynamic marketplace. This is why it is essential for brand owners, inventors, and artists to protect their intellectual property on this robust platform. It is common for trademark, copyright, or patent owners to come across their intellectual property or something eerily similar to it being sold on the Amazon site without proper licensing or permission. The rights associated with intellectual property are only as strong as the enforcement. Trademark rights lose their teeth when not enforced consistently. It is widespread for brand owners to lose copyright and trademark rights due to non-use or allowing unchecked infringement. Although a copyright holder won't lose the rights associated with the restriction through lack of enforcement, the statute of limitations for bringing on an infringement claim is 3 years. So you need to be mindful of that. Similarly, an owner can lose rights associated with a registered patent through public sale, lack of enforcement, and other avenues. Whenever you come across an Amazon infringement, we need to first identify the type of infringement. Trademark infringement on Amazon usually comes up when a third-party retailer is selling a product or service when branding that is the same or similar enough to an established trademark to cause a likelihood of confusion that established trademark holder has authorized the sale. Here, a third party using branding that is the same or similar to a registered trademark may lead to a violation of US trademark law. So before launching a product or service, all eligible brand owners should conduct a trademark search and clearance for the name, logo, design, and everything else that is a source indicator. Implementing a comprehensive brand development strategy can help sellers avoid trademark infringement issues. A registered trademark comes with the rights to exclusivity and the responsibility that the trademark holder will report all future trademark infringements and enforce actions against them. Patent infringement on Amazon usually occurs when a party produces or sells a patent product without the owner's permission. There are specific guidelines that an inventor should follow before and post-registration of the innovative system or process to avoid the rights being compromised. There will be times when competitors and copycats will attempt to produce a replica of a successful product. Still, a patent owner must ensure that while developing these competing inventions, no patent infringement has occurred. Often, ordering competing products is a common strategy for inventors to see if any infringement can be revealed. Now, copyright infringement on Amazon usually comes up in scenarios where any original creation is sold without the authority of the author or the owner. A copyright violation occurs when a copyright owner's exclusive distribution, production, or public display rights have been violated. Copyright images often find themselves on web platforms like Amazon without the copyright owner's authority. And an update to the Digital Millennium Copyright Act has also provided a streamlined process for artists to remove original content from web platforms like Amazon. For example, a book, photograph, painting, or music sold without the proper authority from the copyright owner could be considered copyright infringement. Now, there are necessary steps that are involved when reporting an infringement claim on Amazon. First, you need to start with gathering the necessary information. IP infringement claims must begin with a thorough review of the infringement complaint and basics regarding enforcement actions. There must be a good faith belief that an intellectual property infringement has occurred. A clear and concise method should be followed to report a violation on Amazon. An evidence gathering process must be implemented. That's usually the best place to start. A brand owner identifying a similar brand name or logo must gather evidence of trademark violation on Amazon. This will include screenshots of products or services that violate the claimant's trademark rights. Product listings and product details are an excellent place to start the evidence gathering process. For a copyright claim, the attorney and the author or owner must review that the claimant owns a creation and that the subject matter is protected under federal copyright law. Similarly, for a trademark infringement claim, the attorney and the claimant must conduct a clearance process that includes reviewing the ownership and strength of the claimant's trademark. Finally, before filing a patent infringement notice, a similar clearance process must be conducted to check the alleged infringement is actionable. Now, if you've conducted that proper clearance process, you need to file your claim and wait for a response. To report an infringement, Amazon provides access to a form that can be filed on the platform and is easily accessible. The claimant must provide specific details regarding the ownership of the intellectual property. Additionally, the claimant must describe the particular type of infringement that has occurred. The IP owner or owner's agent should complete this form, preferably an intellectual property lawyer, but you should be wary of a counter notice when filing a claim on web platforms like Amazon, as the seller's account has the right to provide evidence that their ability to sell this product or service was through fair use or another argument where the sale was authorized and legal. Now, you filed your infringement claim on Amazon. Do you stop there? No. Enforcement of owner's IP rights can extend to a properly drafted cease and desist letter. And if all else fails, a copyright holder, a brand owner, or a patent owner might need to consult an intellectual property attorney regarding taking the matter to federal court for a resolution. The Amazon Brand Registry and Infringement Reporting Form are inexpensive tools that IP rights owners can utilize when coming across an infringing product listing. The process is simple enough for the IP claims to be made by an individual, but when there's a need for a comprehensive clearance to ensure the complaint is valid, it is essential to seek assistance through an intellectual property attorney. If you need assistance with an Amazon infringement or any other IP claims, please feel free to book a consultation by going to www.drishtilaw.com or call me at 773-234-1139. As always, this is Sahil Malhotra. Thank you for watching.